Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to put together these layered cards. They are so fun to make. And you can see there's a lot of different types of layers that you can create with these. One thing I will say is that there is a printable piece in this that you will need to print and cut. So if you're making multiples, you can lay them all out, print them a single time, and cut them at the same time. Aren't those fun? Today I'm going to show you how to put together the mermaid one, and these are coming out over several weeks time. So if you don't see a design that you see here, there's a chance it's just not come out yet. Okay, so I have already put together the mermaid. If you've watched any of my videos, you know that these are all layered the same way. You can see on the back is black because I've layered this up. This has like a black layer, a peach layer, or whatever skin color you want, and then you can change the colors of these as well, that layer, and then the fin layer. So, and then here we go. You're just going to take your back piece and fold it in half, just like that. Now, I am using a lot of pop dots today, like a lot. So you're going to do a pop dot layer on the back of this and this one. So these are the first two layers, and both of those will be pop dotted. So I'm just going to put those aside here. This layer right here is going to be glued down. Now you could pop dot it if you want, but it just felt like way too much pop dot overkill to me. So I'm actually just going to glue this down. I like to pop dot the first two layers and then glue down this layer and then pop dot the stuff that comes on it. Just like that. Okay, now we're going to pop dot. Make sure you're going the same right way. Yep. Okay, so once I've pop dotted both of those, we're just going to layer them on. Just like that. And you can see if you pop dotted this other layer, it would look really cool. Doesn't that look awesome? Okay, so now we have a mermaid, and you can see there's this little bump here. Most of them have some kind of thing to help you recognize where the piece is supposed to go. So we're going to put some pop dots on her as well. Okay, so now we're going to put together the wave. So I am just going to glue the background piece, which is a little funky looking, but it gets covered right down here in the bottom corner. And then we're going to pop dot this wave piece. So it's just going to get pop dotted right above it. And we're going to glue this piece, if I can figure out the way it's supposed to be glued, just like that, onto this, and I'm just going to use stick glue for it. Okay, so there's our wave. The last bit is we are going to pop dot these two pieces over here. Lots of pop dots, which of course you can skip. You can just hot glue or stick glue it down. You do not have to use pop dots. I just think they look so cool for a project like this. Okay, and that is it. Isn't that so cute and really easy to put together? Makes for a darling card. And I hope you subscribe to the channel so you can get more tutorials. And I'll talk to you soon.